The total weight of the machine is 14,550 kg. The total height of the machine is 3.95 meters. The total length of the machine is 4.94 meters. The total width of the machine is 2.47 meters. All components are sourced from top international brands. It is also equipped with 16 units of 620Ah batteries. The extendable platform extends automatically and can stop at any position. With a length of 2.7 meters, the four wheels can steer in the same direction simultaneously. The front and rear wheels can also steer independently. Turning is more flexible and convenient. The platform has an extra large load capacity with a rated load of up to 750 kilograms. All-terrain, all-surface driving, off-road tires, large ground clearance, and strong passability. The maximum climbing ability reaches 30% during slope operations. The four hydraulic leg cylinders can be leveled with a single button. The AC motor drive ensures smooth driving and excellent micro-mobility. Lifting and lowering are smooth and silky. The maximum working height is 22 meters.